It's wild how 20 people managed to hide in a town of barely 1,000 residents. By now, everybody has heard about this case from Ohio where 16 children were rescued from a family of siders. The family had 4 adults. As seen here, all of these adults seem very mentally unstable, like ignoring 16 children and not knowing what it means to have and care for 16 children is really a serious mental disorder. It seems like they are in a collective and shared delusion state. They do not even know what is happening around them or the criminal charges that they are currently facing. According to psychologists, this family is suffering from terrible paranoia and scared to go out into the outside world. The police officers say that they found like tremendous amount of trash and waste from their house, which generally indicates that they might be suffering from depression or hoarding disorders. Every time somebody started asking questions, they moved towns to avoid any accountability or government interference. These 16 children all belongs to Elizabeth and Gary Snyder's Jr. According to Elizabeth's family, they married when Gary was 19 and Elizabeth was 15. They have been conditioning Elizabeth since she was 13 years old, and later they moved to a place and got married, and they kept having children. In total, Elizabeth had 20 pregnancies. Some of them were twins, some were miscarriages, and in total 16 children survived. But from what we know already, they were not in good living conditions either. Like, these children have never seen the light of the day. They never come out of that room, and they are severely malnourished and living in extremely dirty, poor and unlivable conditions. Now the children are safe and protected and are being treated, but everybody continues asking how these 16 lives have had remained hidden from this world for so long.